French seams are sewn twice, encasing the raw edge within the seam and creating a very neat, delicate seam that is ideal for sheer or lightweight fabrics. Unlike a plain seam, place your fabric pieces wrong side together and pin the corresponding pieces. Using a straight stitch, sew a seam at a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Trim off half of the seam allowance. Press the seam allowance flat and to one side. Press from both sides of the fabric to ensure the seam lays flat. Fold the fabric along the stitch line with right sides together, enclosing the seam allowance. Press flat. Stitch again, this time using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, encasing the raw edge. Press the seam to one side to finish. If you're using the seam in a garment, you press the seam to the back. This seam finish is super easy and a great way to create a clean finish.